In 2015-2016 we conducted our second year of dental practice inspections and we inspected a total of 133 dental practices across Wales. During our inspections we looked at how practices were meeting the health and care standards, and where private dental treatments were provided we looked at how practices were meeting the Private Dentistry Regulations. Our inspections focused on three areas. We looked at how patients were experiencing their dental treatment and care. We looked at how practices were providing safe and effective treatments to patients, and we also looked at how practices were being managed. We found our inspections were positive, and overall we found the majority of practices provided safe and effective treatments to patients. Most practices were committed to improving the services they provided for patients, and we found that staff treated patients with kindness, dignity and respect. Patients also told us that they were happy with the dental treatments that were provided by the staff team. However, our inspections also did identify a number of areas that practices could make improvements, and we've detailed these within our annual report. We also found some areas of concern at a small number of practices, which mainly related to infection control arrangements, and also some practices which weren't fully complying with the regulations surrounding the safe use of X-ray equipment. So we will continue with our dental practice inspections in the next year, and we recommend that all dental practices and health boards read our annual reports because we have identified a number of areas where care can be improved.